G'day trendsetters, I'm here in the backyard again in the veggie garden, and last week I made this U-Butte video of supercharging my Eureka Lemon here for the coming season, but it's disappeared. I'm guessing I deleted it somehow, but either way. So I'll just talk you through the steps of what I did last week. And basically I started off, obviously I cleaned everything up, weeded, and the first thing I used or added was Yates soil wetting agent, because our soils here after a long dry spell tend to repel water. So that was just to help with any watering that I do to get right down into the soil. Second, I added Rooster Booster, which is a pelletized chicken manure, composted chicken manure. Think the rate from the top of my head is 500 grams per metre per year of tree. So I've got about a square metre here. So over the next 12 months I need to add 500 grams of Rooster Booster. So every 2 months about 100 grams will give me my 500 grams. Next year I'm assuming I'll have this tree twice as large. I'll have 2 square metres, so that'll be a kilogram, which will be like 200 grams every 2 months over the course of the year. Speaking about years, I'll just get comfortable again. It's hard to believe, but I planted this bloke about 5 years ago, and I've sadly neglected it and hasn't grown as such, but after this it will. So thirdly, I added, this is a product called Who Flung Dung by Nutrog, and I've been using it throughout the veggie garden. I've only just discovered it and I'm just loving it. This, I put a whole bag on this. It comes in, depends, I got the last bag I got on special at $19. So that's 1 square metre. If you had 2 square metres, you could put 2 bags on. I've got a mandarin tree up the back and I'll put a whole bag on that. But I also think in 2 months' time, I'll put another whole bag on that one as well. So that was step 3. Step 4, there's another product by the same company, Nutrog, which also makes a Rooster Booster that I talked about before. So it's a bit of a Nutrog fest. I am really enjoying their products at the moment, if you can't tell. Is a product called GOGO juice, which is kind of like a probiotic bacterial super kick for your soil, and to get all the fungi and everything, get everything biologically active. So that's about it for additives. The last ingredient, and probably the most important, is water. In order to get 1 millimetre of rain in 1 square metre, you need 1 litre of water. So to get 25 millimetres, which is about what you need for a citrus tree per week, you need 25 litres per square metre. Your average garden hose will give you about, say, 15 to 20 litres per minute. So you're going to need to water each square metre for at least a minute each time you water, possibly once a week. In spring and summer you might need to do that twice. So there's a little bit of a guide for how much water, that's per square metre too. So if you've got a tree with 5 square metres underneath it, you're going to need 5, 6, 7 minutes of watering with a single garden hose. So just to go through it again, soil wetting agent, Rooster Booster, the pelletized composted chicken manure, the Who Flung Dung mulch. I'll leave a link in the description below about the Who Flung Dung mulch. It's a really nice product. Hard to get it. I can't get it in Toowoomba at the moment. It's sold out. And the GOGO juice, which I don't really know if it works or doesn't work. I'm just using it because I like all their other products. So, and the 5th one is water. So, and now is the best time, spring, first of spring today. Absolutely glorious day here in Toowoomba, except dry as chips, there's no rain. But surely that's just around the corner. It is important to me if you would consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. It all goes to helping me to be able to make more videos like this. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers and thanks for watching.